I am Divyanka Reddy from Sanath English High School. Honorable Chief Guest of today's webinar and an author and scientist, Speaker Dr. Rama Mehta. Principal of Sanath English High School, Mr. Lata Pillai ma'am, our coordinator, Mr. Anand sir, I extend a hearty welcome to you all. I have the privilege to welcome our respected teachers and all the fellow students. I also welcome immediate past president of Indian Women Scientists Association, Dr. Lalita Dareshwar, and all the honorable members of IFSA. Now I would like to call our coordinator Anand sir to share his thoughts. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Divyanka. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. My secondary section China English School. I welcome Dr. Rama Mehta, honorable members.
Sir, you are not very clear, sir.
Your voice is
Breaking.
breaking.
Just check the connection and start.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry for the interruption. Myself, I'm the teacher, second section, I welcome Dr. Rama Mehta, retired scientist, brain energizer, and memory trainer. Honorable INSA members, Lata Pillai ma'am, principal of Saina English High School, teachers.
Children, can you please switch off your videos? It helps him transmit, right? Children, videos off, please.
We are thankful to INSA for giving us this opportunity. Our school is associated with INSA since the last 15 years. Our students have benefited with additional coaching in mathematics, science, English, and computer at free cost. INSA played a vital role in inculcating scientific temper, logical thinking, and reasoning. We at Saina believe in imparting education to every section of society, especially the poor and the marginalized. Sainath Education Trust was established by visionary and industrious Sri Hariban sir. His motto to impart education to all. With this vision, he started Sainath India High School in 1986 for the benefit of economically backward classes. English medium section is started in 1992. We give admission to all irrespective of their economic and academic status with reasonable fee. Dear students, skilled mathematics is the combination of Vedic math and brain retention. In this interactive session, we will learn about magic with numbers, quick multiplication and division with skill technique, multiplication with cross technique, riddle, and many more. I am confident that our students will acquire the skills and the knowledge from this brain stimulating workshop. Thank you very much. Divyanka, over to you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your thoughts. Now I would request Mansi ma'am to introduce IFSA. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Divyanka. Let me share my screen first. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Visible.
Yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Distinguished Principal Madam Lata Pillai, Coordinator Dayaram Talari sir, teachers and students of Sainath English High School, Mehta. On behalf of Indian Women Scientists Association, I welcome you all in this platform for today's talk on skill mathematics. I would like to introduce you all to IFSA so that you can get an idea of what we are and what we do. Indian Women Scientists Association is an NGO which was founded back in 1973, which is a non-profit, non-political social welfare organization with its headquarters at Vashi. We have a working women hostel office and an activity. Our garden, which is known as Learning Garden, was established in 2018. We have registered under Niti Aayog as per the requirement of the government these days. USA is now on its entry to Golden Jubilee in years 2022-23, and we just released our Golden Jubilee logo with the slogan, "Look back to move forward and soar." We are looking forward to celebrate the Golden Jubilee, and I request you all to keep and watch for a variety of events. Now, USA has grown from its headquarters at Vashi to 11 more branches across the country. They all join headquarters in taking the mandates of developing scientific paper in the society, disseminating scientific knowledge through lectures, seminars, and workshops, promoting professional achievements by women. We are about 2,100 members at present. We have two arms of activities: community welfare and science awareness. During 2019-20, USA has reached about 23,000 recipients. In spite of pandemic period 2020-21, we are close to about 17,000 recipients. In our community welfare activities, we have Working Women Hostel, which was started in 1989 at USA campus. Even though society was registered in 1973, we got our own campus in 1984-89. This hostel has an accommodation of 160 working women, and it is a safe and economic place for them. We have a healthcare center which was started in 1994, a computer center started in 1991, and a library in 1974, started way before we actually moved to our USA campus. We have scholarship awards for meritorious girl students who are in their 10th, 12th, BSc, MSc, and PhD program. This is an one-time award given from the donation of the well-wishers. We have early childhood care education program, which is started in 1995. We have nursery schools and daycare centers, which are temporarily closed and will be starting soon. We run cancer camp, and here you can see our cap with Indian Cancer Center. The Computer Education Center, which open to any girl who has finished her 12th standard. Age is no bar. So anyone who wishes to get into teaching can join this course. Along with that, we also run a course on shadow teacher training and a foundation course in understanding ADHD, that is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, for the children who have this problem, and we need teachers to hold their hands. This is an ongoing program with Rishti, another NGO which has expertise in that. Furthermore, we have some collaborative program with Vigyan Prasad. One is Section Setu, which is a short-time 30 hours course in pre-primary and primary teachers. 6 modules of the course are prepared by ECCE teachers. Everything is conducted online. We conduct science lectures, science clubs, science exhibition. This year's science exhibition date and topic will be announced soon. And we are looking forward to the active participation of science school students as always. Science nurture classes, which was conducted early in our campus, now conducted online in collaboration with Vigyan Prasad. For college students, we have BRNS supported lectures, workshops, and refresher courses supported by science academics. In our learning garden, we have around 500 different plants which are arranged thematically. We brought out a booklet about the contents of the garden. We also hold many garden-based learning programs. Under our Green Initiative projects, we have implemented solar generator on the rooftop providing electricity, and a solar panel water heater, providing hot water for the hostelites. We have been teaching students from science school since long time at our premises. With the current COVID situation, we moved on to online mode of teaching. Here you can see some students from science, and I am sure many of them are attending today's webinar also. Amongst our collaborative project, we have begun process. One is EOTO, that is each one teach one, wherein a college student mentors a school student, our own science student, and then overall is monitored by our USA volunteers. Another collaborative program is USA VIPNet Science Club, an interesting monthly science activities by school students. This program already included experiments with yeast and egg, baking of robotic, designing parachutes, and many more to follow. These hand-on experiments created a curiosity in children. These are some flyers of our garden-based learning workshops. BRNS lectures started more than 11 years ago. Now it is sanctioned for 2021-24. In the last year, that is in 2020-21, we had conducted 60 lectures with topics in physics, chemistry, biology, environment, and engineering. Speakers were from academic institute of repute and reached about 6,691 recipients, both from headquarters and branches. We have 20 lectures since September 2021 and many more to follow. Recently, we started conducting lectures for schools, one of which you are attending today. We reach out the schools with the topics which are consequent to them in their school syllabus. We also have science and our live lecture series. This lecture series tries to bring speakers from all disciplines of science, and they can tell us about the science underlying in all the things that we always wanted to know. All our efforts are catalogued in our user newsletter, which is published thrice in a year. We also have information about our branches there. This is available in our website. Please do visit our website to know more about user. So user's efforts are towards knowledge sharing and bringing about a change, leading to a value creation and promoting innovation. So please do join us as a member. You can take a picture shot of our email ID and website. Join us to enhance users' digital efforts. Your contribution will be well appreciated. With this, I hand over to Science School to continue with the program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
What do you, Divyanka?
Thank you, Manshi ma'am, for sharing your thoughts and giving us a brief insight about IFSA. Now I would request Devi Miss ma'am to continue with the next part of the webinar. Over to you, ma'am.
Good morning, our honorable guest and all the member of IWSA, Principal ma'am, Anand sir, and all my dear students. Thank you so much, Mansi ma'am, for this wonderful introduction about IWSA. Thank you, Principal ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to introduce our honorable guest. It is my pleasure to introduce our honorable guest, Dr. Rama Mehta, who holds MSc PhD in mathematics from University of Roorkee, presently IIT Roorkee in 1982. She joined National Institute of Hydrology in 1983. She has been retired from institute as senior scientist in August 2016. In her service career, she was sponsored to get degree of MSc Hydrology from University of College of Galway, Ireland in 1992. She is the author of book Enjoy Skill Math. It is published in 2016 with Blue Rose Publisher, New Delhi. It is also available at Amazon. Search with Enjoy Skill Math by Dr. Rama Mehta. Her area of interest were soft computing, environment, hydrology, water quality, and reservoir operations. She has visited many places USA, UK, Paris, and Ireland under training in different hydrological fields. She is involving in various activities. I would like to highlight some of the activity. Live member of the Indian Association of Hydrologists, live member of Indian Women Scientists Association, live member of Karnataka Environmental Research Foundation. She published more than 50 research papers in national and international journals and conferences. She was the editor of the technical magazine in Hindi as Jal Chetna. And in her tenure, this magazine got the President's Rajbhasha Kirti Puroskar in 2016. I would like to hand over Rama ma'am. Welcome, Rama ma'am.
Thank you, Devi Biswas. Thank you very much. And
Thank
first,
you.
I would share my screen. Okay, so now, firstly, good morning to one and all. And firstly, I am really thankful to the all ex and present executives of the Indian Women Scientists Association, Mumbai, BRNSDAE, and the principal, chairpersons, coordinators, faculty, and all organizers of the Sainath English High School. I'm really thankful for giving me this opportunity as I can share my views and some little techniques about the skill mathematics today with this August gathering. What is skill mathematics? If we are going to find the definition of this skill mathematics, then we can find that skill mathematics is the combination of Vedic mathematics and brain retention power. What is brain retention power? Whatever you can retain in your mind, right? That is your memory. If you are using your memory directly with the Vedic maths, then it comes in the skill mathematics. Okay, so what we are going to learn in this workshop, as your coordinator has told you, as the magic with numbers, quick multiplication and division with the skill maths, multiplication with crisscross techniques, square and square roots within seconds with your brain retention power. And last one, we will take some riddles. Okay, so now what is maths? I will ask you what is maths. Basically, actually, if you think that maths is the combination of 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This is the base of the maths, right? So in everywhere in mathematics, you will find these operations. And if you are the master of these operations, then definitely you will be the genius in maths. And now what is the skill maths? What is skill maths? Skill maths, when you are doing, you are using your brain retention power, means you are just calculating the things without pen and paper, and you are writing the answers without using pen and paper, right? Then it becomes the skill maths, right? So if I would ask you, how many of you like maths? Just write in the chat box, write me or I. Just write all. How many of you like? Just show me.
Ma'am, number is increasing 24, 25, 26.
Yeah. That's very good. Very good. I am so happy as you like the math. And I am very sure that after this webinar, even you would like more to the math subject, right? So here I will just going before, I will just give some suggestions as keep your pen and paper ready to note down some techniques. You can use your earphones for less disturbance. Feel free to use chat box to ask questions. Otherwise, in the last, we will have the Q&A session. So your ma'am will take care about your questions. And it will be totally interactive session. Whenever you would like, just raise your hand and you can ask the in between. If you don't understand some technique and you have some revision of that. Okay, so now I am super excited for this webinar. Are you? If you are really super excited, then just write yes in your chat box. Just write yes. Okay, so many are interested and excited. Okay, myself is Dr. Rama Mehta. I did my PhD from IIT Roorkee, and I am a retired scientist, brain energizer, and NLP life coach. I am an author of a book, Enjoy Skill Maths. Enjoy Skill Maths. That book is again having so many techniques about the skill maths, and it is published in 2020, and it is also available at Amazon. My YouTube channel is Dr. Rama Mehta. Here also you can get so many small videos about the skill maths techniques. FB page is Keep Growing with Dr. Rama, and with this email and WhatsApp, you can contact me anytime whenever you would like. So, okay, now we will start our first point, magic with numbers. You know that with the natural numbers, we can play so many magics. So many magics. That's why math is so interested. So interested. By any side, you can play somewhere, right? So here we are doing just one magic. That is the answer before question. Okay, so for this magic, what we are going to do, 4 students will give me 5-digit numbers. I couldn't see your chat box actually. That's why I connected with the, yes. Now I can see. Yes, now I can see. So you will give me 4, I will take from the 4 students, 5-digit number you will give me, and I will write 4 times 5-digit numbers from my side. Okay? And you will also, pardon?
First number, shall I dictate the number or you?
Just a minute. I am just telling first. What is the rule of this technique?
Can any one of us read out the numbers?
Yeah, I will read out, and I have my, oh, they have written 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I will take from here. So 4 students will give me 5-digit numbers. I have already these numbers, and here 4 numbers, 4 times 5-digit numbers, I will write from my side. Okay, and you also note down these numbers in your notebook. So after writing all these 8 numbers, we will just add those numbers. I will give you some time to add that numbers. Okay, so just keep ready all the numbers as I am writing here. So first I will write here the numbers. Next, right. Okay, I have got a 39021. 39021. Okay. Second number I got 13875. 13875. Okay. Now third number I got 42173. 42173. And fourth number is 24681. 24681. Okay. Now I will write 4 times these 5-digit number from my side. And you also write in your notebooks. All the students, right? Okay. So my any number I can write here. Oh, sorry, I didn't take. Okay, my next number is my third number is my fourth number is okay. So now we have 8 numbers with 5 digits, and I will give you 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute I will give you to add all the numbers, and just write your answer in the chat box. Your time starts now. So your time is over. So I am writing the sum of these numbers as I did before, 399996. Okay,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
Yes,
Right.
yes, very good. Who has written? Mr. Anand Tiwari.
Talari.
Right. Okay. So this is the number which we got after adding all the numbers. Okay, all have written now. Right. So here, as I said, first I will delete just all the drawings, otherwise it will make mess. Answer before question. That was the magic of this technique. Answer before question. So means I have written here the answer before you have given me the numbers. And I will show you this box. Oh my God. Just I wanted to show you the answer which I have written here. No, it is not coming. Okay, so but the answer was with me in before, right? So that is the magic of this numbers. Answer before question means when you were giving me the digits, then it was with me, what will be the answer of these numbers. Okay. So now later on, if we will have the time, then definitely I will share this technique with you, how we got the answer before that. Now we are coming on the second part as quick multiplication and division with skill maths, right? So here first we will take first part as the quick multiplication, then we will go for the division. So if you have the number, this large number, if you want to multiply with 25, what do you think? How much time you will take to multiply this number? Just 1 minute, 2 minutes, or maybe more than that, right? Okay, so here, let me try to write the answer of this multiplication. Okay, I will take text. Here, I will write the answer. Just note down how much time I will take. Oh my God, why it is not writing? Right, this is the answer of this multiplication, right? Here,
Yes, miss.
you can, yes, okay. So you can check, actually all the time I have to clear all the drawings. Then it will go for the second one. Okay, so let me clear that and then, yes. 149,576,1675, right? That is the answer. Now, case second, if we want to multiply this number with 125, what do you think? How much time we will take for this multiplication? Maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes. Oh my God. 1 minute, 2 minutes, right? So again, note down how much time I will take to write the answer. Okay, so start. 7, 4, 7, 8, 0.
Miss done.
3,
Miss done.
5. Very good, very good. So, okay, how much time we will take to do this? Did you do it with traditional method or some other skill maths? Who did it?
Or calculator?
Oh, yes. Yes. That I forgot. All
I
have the
thought that.
calculators nowadays. Yes, yes, yes. That's why that is the actually some harm of these type of lectures, the webinars. If you are doing in the classroom, then you can check it. But okay. So please don't cheat yourself. Don't cheat. Do it with the traditional method and note down how much time you are taking and how much time I am taking. Right? Then you will feel the beauty of these skill techniques. Right? So please don't cheat yourself. Okay, so again, I have to close this number and then we can check our answer. 7478808375, right? That's right. Now the case third is if we have this large number and we want to multiply with 75, right? What will be the answer? So here I will again take my pen and we will write the answer. What will be the answer? Multiplication with 75. Please don't use the calculator. Do it with yourself. Don't cheat yourself.
Answer has come in the chat.
Okay. Just a minute. Okay, so let me see. But you are doing some cheatings. You are doing some. Okay, I can't ask you in front of the class now, actually. Okay, so we will check that. Again, is there any technique to make all the results within few seconds? Is there any technique? Oh, that is 8. That is 8. I wrote it wrong. It doesn't matter. Can you multiply such big numbers directly within few seconds without using pen and paper? Without using pen and paper, directly you can write the answers on the chat box. I know very well. Nobody has followed this. But okay, we will learn that how we can do it. Yes, answer is absolutely yes. You can do it without using pen and paper. You can directly write the answers of such big multiplications. But how? So how many of you want to learn that these techniques, how we can write the answers directly for this multiplication, such type of numbers in multiplication? Just give me the answer. How many you want to really learn these such type of techniques? Yes, I didn't get any answer. Okay, by raising the hands. Okay, you are saying that's fine. Okay, so now I am going for to tell the secrets of these numbers. Okay, just a minute. I have to clear all these drawing, right? So now secrets for case 1. As case 1, what is the large number multiplied by 25, right? So what we will do in this, there are only 2 steps, very easy steps. If you will just learn these steps, right, then you will be easily calculate all these calculations. So first step is this, just insert 2 zeros, just insert 2 zeros after the number, whatever number you are having, just insert 2 zeros here. Okay. So here with these 2 zeros, what is the second step? That is very easy. Just we can put 2 zeros here. And what is the second step? Now divide this number with single digit 4. Now divide this number with single digit 4 and you will get the answer. So easy, isn't it? Okay, now we will try one example, right? So if we have the number like this 870942003 and we have to multiply this number by 25. What is our first step? Just put 2 zeros after this last digit 3. Just put these 2 zeros, okay? After this 3 digit. And what is the second step? Just we will divide this number, this whole number by 4. We will divide this number by 4. Just by 2 steps, you will get the answer, right? So then it will be very, very easy when you will do this. So now try with this method. Please don't use your pen and paper. Just write the answer here. Just write the answer. Chat. Oh my God. Chat. Yes. Did you write the answer? I couldn't see the chat actually. So you are doing. Just by skill. Only with your memory do it. Just divide this number by 4. 4 to 8. Means first letter is 2. Okay, again I will take my pen. Here, yes. 2 ja 1, 7, 7, 3, 5, 5, 0, 7, 5. Isn't it so easy? If you want to multiply this large number with 25, then just put 2 zeros here and divide this number by 4. Yes, I got so many answers. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good. I got. Okay, now we are coming for the practice question, I think. Yes. Now this is the practice question. Solve without pen and paper and write answer directly in the chat box. Your numbers are these now this time. 86206482 multiplied by 25 and just write your answer here. And then you will go for the second question. Give one by one answer. And you have only 30 seconds. Thirty seconds you have. No answer. I think your answer is, your time has gone, right? So, okay, just yes, one got I one answer 551622050. Yes, I got the answer, correct answer from Shetty Rahul and Vaishya Khushi. And also Khushi Gupta, right. She has also given the correct answer. Okay, it means you learned the technique. So many have given the correct answers. And now try for the second one. 67368508 into 25. Yes, I got. So many has given the correct answer. Right. Now next answer is Shagufa. 168421270. Yes, Shagufa, you are absolutely right. Chaudhary, no, not Sanjana Chaudhary. Your answer is wrong. Vaishya Khushi, your answer is wrong. No, Vaishya Khushi is correct. Yes. Shethi Rahul is correct. Yes. Khushbu. Krishna. 212. Yes. It means you are giving the correct answer. So I am just writing the answer here. Who have not done it, just please try it. 2155 1625050. Yes, that is the answer for the first one. But so many students have given the correct answer. Really, I am so happy. I am really happy as you have given the correct answers. And for the second one, the answer is 168 4212700. Yes, these are the answers for both questions. Who have completed, really congratulate them, and who have not completed, then they can try it later on. But technique is very easy. Just put 2 zeros from the at the last digit and then divide it with 4. Right? It's very, very easy. So now I will clear all the drawing and this. Now we are coming for the second technique, secret of case 2. When we are multiplying with 125, what we are going to do for the 125? As I have the numbers, such large number 598304776, and we have to multiply with 125 just by having 2 steps. Again, we have 2 steps only. What we are going to do in first step, as after the last digit, we will just put 3 zeros. On this time, we will put 3 zeros, right? And we will divide this total digit by 8. Now, in this time, when we are multiplying with 125, we will divide this digit by 8. Just simple. And you can write directly the answer in your chat box, or you can tell anywhere you can use your answer directly multiplication. Okay. So now we will try with one example again. If we have the number this and we want to multiply this number with 125, what will be our first step? Just our number will be this. We will put 3 zeros after 3. And then we will divide by 8. Okay. We will divide by 8. Now try it. What will be your answer? Just write in the chat box. Now I think directly you can write in the chat box your answer. Yes, write your answer. No. 8. We have to divide it by 8. So first digit will be 1. No. Yes, 1 0. Yes, Vaishya Khushi. Your answer is absolutely right. Gupta Nisha. Your answer is right. Krishna, Gauri Shankar. Right. Priya Yadav. 53. No. 5375. Yes. Raj Verma, Nidhi Sharma. It means yes. So many have given the correct answer. But again, I will write here who has not done. But make it practice. It is very, very easy. Just dividing any number by 8 is not a tough job. You are in 8th or 9th class, I think. Yes. So it's very easy. The answer will be 10886775375. Right. Okay. Yes, so many has given the correct answer. Yes. Poonam Gautam, Yadav Shweta, Himanshu Giri, Aishwarya Pashpula, Anali Gupta, right? So many have given. Very good, very good. I'm so happy to see that you are really learning the technique. So here, just this. Okay, now we are coming for the case 3. Secret of the, no, first we will do the practice question for this. For this technique, we will do the practice question, right? Just give me the answer directly in your chat box. For this 1809846. For this number. Now again, question has been changed. Okay, so now 1809846 into 125. Just give the answer of this. 45260. No, we have to divide it by 8. Yes, 226 230 750. Yes, Vaishya Khushi. Right, you are right. Priya Yadav 226 230 7. Not 57 in the last, Priya. Not decimal, Khushi. 226 230 750. Yes, Archana Gupta, you are right. Vikas Sanjay, Raj Verma. Yes. Now everybody is giving the correct answer. Okay, now everybody is giving the correct answer. Very nice. So just I will write the correct answer here again. If you are not having the correct, then you can check your answer. 226 230, right? 750. 226 230 750. Yes. Now try for this question. 6746977 into 125. Second answer is 843372 125. Yes. Shethi Rahul is correct. 8433. Yes, I think all are giving the correct answer now. 84337. Yes. Very nice. All are giving the correct answer. I couldn't read all the names, but I would like to say all the names. Yes, you are giving the correct answer. Very nice. I am so happy. As here, I will again write the answer for this, for the students who have not completed. 843372125. 3372125. Yes. So all have written the correct answer. 84337. Yes, 2125. Okay. So now we are coming on the second one. Now the third case, I think. Yes, case 3. Now multiplication of 25. There is 3 steps, right? For the 75, there is 3 steps because we can factorize 75 as 25 into 3, right? It's always true. 25 into 3. So we can apply the technique, whatever we used for the 25, and whatever answer we will get in that, we will just multiply that answer with 3. Okay, so that will be the answer for multiplication of 75. So just first step, factorize 75 as 25 into 3. Second step, got answer for number, multiplication of 25. What we did for the 25, we just put 2 zeros after the number and we divided with the 4, right? 2 steps were there. Here, third step, what will be? Just whatever we got in the second step, we will multiply that number with 3. Right? We will multiply that number with 3. That will be our answer for multiplication of 75. Again, we will have some example as we have this number multiplication with 75. Okay. So that will be this into 25 into 3. We can write this as this. So here what we will do for this 25, just we will put 2 zeros after 3. right? We will put 2 zeros after 3 and then we will divide this whole number with 4. This is the 300 and then divide by 4, right? What will be your answer? That you know now, this will be your answer, right? Just by putting 2 zeros and dividing by 4. And now the next part will be just multiply this number with 3 to get the answer for 75 multiplication. Okay. So now your answer will be this. Complete answer will be this. Okay. So that is the secret for multiplication of 75. Now you have to write the answers of these questions, right? You have, okay, 1 minute for all these 3. Just write your answers. I am again sharing. Just write the answers of these questions. One by one, you can write the answers. 7164250. Okay. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. For the first question. Right. So now you can check your answer. 716250. Yes. Huh? Now someone has given the answer for second also. So second, you can check with the answer 8413500. Yes. And next answer is again 21492750. Yes. Nidhi Sharma has given all the 3 answers correctly. Sanjana Chaudhary, Anuj Gupta. Third answer is this, Priya Yadav, right? Yes, yes, yes. So many students have given the correct answers. So really it's very good as you learned all the 3 techniques and you are using that, and please make the practice for these. It will be very easy to use this. Now we are coming for the quick division with skill techniques. Okay. So now what we will do for the division, because as we think division is little harder than multiplication, right? So here what we are going to do for this division. My traditional method, definitely we are going to take more than 1 minute to do this division. But here what we are going to do, if I will do this division, how much time I will take, right? Oh, this has been, this is the answer for this. I will just tell the technique for these things also for division. As here I have, again actually all the time I have to take text. Right. If we want to make division for this number, what we are going to do? What we are going to do this division. Just takes a little bit creativity from the last questions. What we did for the multiplication, how we can use the same techniques for this division. Four, 7, 8. Shethi Rahul has given me the answer 4, 7, 8. For the first one? No, not this. 4, 7, 8, 6, 4, 3. Yes, very good, very good, very good. You have given the correct answers. But how you are giving me the correct answer? By the traditional method or by skill method or by calculator?
Skill method.
Huh? Or by calculator? That's why I kept the large digits. And third one is division by 75. Skill method. Very good. Khushi Singh. What did you do for this? Khushi, can you unmute yourself? Khushi, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how did you do this division?
Skill.
What technique you used? What technique in the skill math you used? It means you are just using the calculator, bhai. Don't cheat yourself.
Ma'am, can I say how can we do?
Eh?
Can I say how can we do?
What technique you used for this? Na? How did you do? As I told you, put 2 zeros here and divide it with.
Yes, can I say the technique?
Add
Can I
2
say the
zero
technique?
and divided by 4, and in second case add 3 0 and divided by 8.
Divided by 8. No.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
Please. Ma'am, in the first case,
Yes.
we have to divide by 100 the number,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
then multiplied by 4.
Yes. Yes, you are right. Who was that? Anuj.
Anuj Gupta.
Okay, Anuj Gupta. Yes, you are right. है ना? In that cases, actually, there is a little technique. As for the division, always we will multiply with 4, 8. With number 4 and with number 8. Just we will multiply it. Right? And in multiplication, we will divide. In multiplication, we will divide. In division, we will multiply. So just keep it in mind. Here again, yes, you are perfectly right, Anuj. We will just divide this number, multiply this number with 4 and we will divide it by 100. Yes. And here in this case, we will just multiply with 8, right? And divide with 1000. And same technique we will take for 75 as we did for the 25, and then we will divide the number, whatever we will get for the case 1, divide the number by 3. Okay. So by these techniques, you will get the answers for these quick division and quick multiplication. Okay. So now case 2, multiply this. Yes, this you have already learned that. So there is no need, I think. You already learned that. Or I think I should tell once, na, because some students will be here who cannot understand. Na? Just quickly, I will tell. In division of 25, just multiply the given number with 4. I am telling for all the students because some students maybe have understood that, but some may not be. So just I will quickly go through. Multiply the given number with 4 and put decimal before 2 digits from the last digit because we have to divide it with the 100. So if we have the question as this number divided by 25, then we will multiply this number by 4 and just we will put decimal here before 2 digits, right? Okay, so now next one for the 125, just we will multiply the given number by 8 and we will put the decimal before last 3 digits. Before last 3 digits because we are dividing by 1000. Okay, so this number into 8 is this and we are putting decimal here. So this is the answer. And for the third case, for 75, again we have the 3 steps. First step is for 25 as we will multiply the number by 4, put the decimal before last digit, and then you will divide the number by 3. You will just divide the number by 3 here, right? And then you will get the answer. Okay, so now you have learned this, so you will do it later on. divided by 25, by 125, and by 75. Right? 75, always remember that you have to divide it by 3. For multiplication case, you will multiply by 3. Okay? Now we are coming for the next multiplication with crisscross technique. Right? Crisscross technique. For 2 by 2, that is very powerful technique actually. In the crisscross, when you are multiplying the numbers, it's really very easy to do these calculations in your mind, and directly you can write the answer. There is no need to write 2 steps and then add that. So for 2 by 2, it looks very simple. As you have the number 34 and 54, what is the logic of this? You will multiply first the unit places, this into this, and you will write the answer here, and you will take care about the carryovers. You will take care about the carryovers. And then in the second step, you will just multiply the crisscross, right? 3 into 3 plus 5 into 4. 3 into 3 plus 5 into 4, right? That number, and add the carryover. Then you will write the number here. And then third step is just multiply these numbers. 5 into 3. Okay. So you will get the answer directly in your mind, or you can write the answer directly. So here first step is 3 4s are 12. So we will write 2 here. 1 will be in carry. Second step is 3 into 3 is 9. 5 into 4 is 20. That is 29. And 1 is carry. That is 30. We will put 0 and 3 will be in carry. And then 5 3s are 15. Right? 15 plus 3 is in carry. So that is 18. The answer will be 1802. Right? So for 2 by 2, it's really easy, but it needs the practice. If you want to write directly the answer, then it needs practice. Right? So for 2 by 2, it's really, you can do it just by learning here. Here, I think you can do it. Again, I am taking 2 more examples to solve 63 by 55. And it is always good if you are writing like this, not like this, right? Because in this way, means not writing, you are thinking in that way. I have the number 63 and then downward 55. Then you are just multiplying in your mind. 5 3s are 15. 1 is in my hand. 30 plus 15. 45 plus 1 6. 4 is in my hand. 30 plus 4 is 34. Right? Directly you can write the answer, or you can tell the answer for the multiplication of 2-digit numbers. Here again, 8 5s are 40. 4 is in my hand. 10 plus 24, 34. 4 38. 8 is here. 3 is in my hand. 6 plus 3 is 9. Understood? Clear? Right. Okay, now you do these 2 questions. These 2 questions. My voice is clear to all?
Yes,
Is my
ma'am.
voice clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Now you do 65 into 45 and 57 into 23. These 2 questions, do it. Means directly write the answer in the chat box. Directly write. Yes. Oh my God, I got the answer. 2925. Very good. Krishna Gauri Shankar has given the answer. Correct. 1925, 65 into 45. No, Shetty Raul, that is not correct. 2925 is correct. Raj Verma, Priya Yadav. Krishna Gauri Shankar 1311, second answer is correct. Singh Khushi, why did you write yes? 2925 is correct. Khushi Gupta, Anand Gupta. 2875, Khushi Gupta, not, your answer is not correct. Priya Yadav 1311. Yes, for the second one, right? 1171 is not correct. 2925 is correct. Arpita Saroj 2925. Poonam Gautam. Yes. Yes. Raj Verma, Archana Gupta, right. It means you are giving the correct answers. So many have given the correct answers. So that was for the 2 by 2, right? Now we are coming for the 3 by 3 digits. And you can use this crisscross method for 4 by 4 digits. But here only we will discuss 3 by 3 digits. But it's very easy. As I taught in my workshops, so many students are using these methods, crisscross multiplication, even in engineering colleges. They said, ma'am, it is so easy. Just we can do it calculation in our mind and we can write the answer, right? So by little practice, you can also grab these techniques. So for the 3 by 3, what you will do? There are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means first digit is 1, 2, 3 and second number is 4, 5, 6. We are multiplying these numbers. What we will do that? First, we will just multiply this unit place as before. Then we will make the cross multiplication of this and this number. Now, the third step has been added here. We will make the cross multiplication with the third number, first and third. First and third, and then here third and first you can say, and then middle one. So this into this, plus this into this, plus this into this. That is the step which has been added here for the 3 by 3 digit number. Only this, we have to multiply 6 into 1 plus 4 into 3 plus 2 into 5. Okay. And then in the next step, we will leave the first terms, unit places. And then we will go for this into this plus this into this. Right? And then in the last one, this into this. For the 2 by 2, we had the three steps, right? First step was this into this. Second step was this into this, plus this into this. And third step was this into this. Here for the 3 by 3, we have added 2 more steps. 2 more steps. What is the third step? That is this into this, plus this into this, plus this into this. And here again, we will do the 2 by 2 multiplication, but we will leave the first one. Here we left with the last one, right? Here we will leave the first one. And then we will leave 2 and then we will multiply last one. So again, we will see with the steps as 3, 6, 18. We will write 8, 1 will be in carry. Then 6 into 2 plus 5 into 3. So 12 plus 15, right? 12 plus 15 is 17 and 1 was in carry. So that is 27 plus 1 is 28. 8 we have written and 2 is in my hand. Now next one is 6 into 1 plus 4 into 3. 12 plus 6. Right? So 12 plus 6 is, and then added 10. 5 into 2 is 10. Right? So that is 28. And I have 2 in my hand. So that will be 30. 6 into 1 plus 4 into 3. 6 plus 12. 18. Plus 10. 5 into 2. Right? 28. Very simple. Right? First, 6 into 1, 6. 4 into 3, 12. Right? Plus 5 into 2. 18 plus 10 is 28 and 2 was in carry. So that is 30. 28 plus 2 is 30. Okay. So now in 30, I will put 0 and 3 will be in my hand. 3 will be in my hand. Now I will leave the first unit places. Then I will multiply 5 into 1 plus 4 into 2. So 5 plus 8, that is 13 and 3. right? So 16. 6 I will put here and 1 will be in my hand. Now the last one is 1 into 4, that is 4 plus 1 is 5. So what will be the answer? 5, 6, 0, 8, 8. 5, 6, 0, 8, 8. It needs little practice, right? So don't worry, when you will do just 10 to 20 questions of such type 3 by 3 digits with this crisscross method, then you will be really will feel comfortable to use these techniques. Now again one example, if I have the number 216 and 196, we have to multiply these numbers. Then what we are going to do? First we will multiply 6 into 6. First multiply 6 into 6, that is 36. We will write here 6 and 3 will be in my hand, right? Next one is 6 plus 54. 6 plus 54, that is 60. 60 plus 3 is 63. I will write here 3 and 6 is in my hand. And now next one is 6 to 12 plus 6, 18 plus 9. 18 plus 9, right? So that is no. Plus 19 bhi to hai, right? That is 6 plus 2 plus 6, 18 plus 9, right? And 6 is in my hand, right? 6 is in my hand. That's why it is 33. 33, I will write 3 here. 3 is in my hand now. Always take care about the carryovers. Now next one is 2 into 9 plus 1 into 1. 18 plus 1, 19 and 3, 22. Then I will write 2 here and 2 is in my hand. Last one is 2 into 1 is 2 and plus 2 is 4. So my answer will be 4, 2, 3, 3, 6. Right? 4, 2, 3, 3, 6. Now again, if I will write here with my pen, I will do with you, right? So here, yes. How we can do it? Now do with me. Very slowly we will do it and definitely you will learn it very easily. 2 3s are 6. 6, right? 2 3s are 6. Now again, 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. I don't have any carry, right? 14 means 4. 4. Now I have 1 in my hand, right? Now 2 9s are 18 plus 3 5s are 15. 18 plus 15. 18 plus 15. 33, right? 33 and 1 is 34 because 1 is in my hand. 34 means 4. No, sorry. I did something wrong. 18 plus 15. 33 plus 4 is in my hand. $34, yes. So 4 and 3 is in my hand, right? Now, what I will do? 9 into 4 plus 5 into 1. 36 plus 5. 36 plus 5, 41. And 3 is in my hand, right? 41 plus 3, 31. Sorry. 9 4s are 36 plus 5 is 41. 34. So here 4 and 3 is in my hand. But it is writing wrong. 6, 8. Yes, that's why, na, 8. That's why I'm saying why it is coming this. Now 9, right? And 9 5 ja 49, then 4. So that will be 2 into 3 as 6, right? First step is just we will multiply 2 into 3, that is 6. Second step, we will multiply 2 into 1 plus 4 into 3. So 12 plus 2 is 14, 4, 1 is in my hand. Third step is 9 into 2, 18 plus 15 plus 4. Third, also it will included in this plus 4. That's why it is 38. Right? 8 here and 3 is in my hand. Now 36 plus 5, 41. Right? And 3 is in my hand, so 44. 4 will be here and then 4 will be in my hand. 9 5 ja 45 plus 4, that is 49. Okay. So slowly, when you will make practice of such multiplication of 3 by 3, right? Then you will get the answers directly by your skill. Just make the practice for this. Okay. So, okay, I will clear my drawing and then. Now we are coming for the next one. Okay, now answer is here 494846. I think we got the same answer. Now we are coming for the square of the natural numbers. As the traditional method, we have the squares as 1 plus b, a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? All the time we are making the squares by this traditional formula. But here there are so many methods to make the squares of the natural numbers. And I am talking here for the squares of the 1 to 99. Right? For the 2-digit numbers, 1 digit or 2-digit number 1 to 99. So here there are so many methods, but today we are going to discuss only the base method. Right? Only the base method we are going to discuss. So here just I will close by this unit. It is making the noise in between actually, no? Right. So now today we are going to discuss base 10. Base method. Here in the between 1 to 99 we have the base 1 and 10. But in 20, 30 up to 90, what bases we have? Right? You read the base methods, base of the number na, in your classes. So as from 11 to 19, we have the base 10, and from 20 to 99, we have different bases as 20, 30, 40, 50, like this. So for base 10, what is the technique to make the squares? It's very, very easy, right? Just when we are making the square of between 11 to 19 numbers. So if we are making the square of 11, then just we will add 11 plus the additional number of the base. Additional number of the base. Here, what is the additional number? That is 1. So we will just add 11 plus 1, that is 12, and we will make the square of this additional number. Means 1 square. So we will write here 12 plus 1. Sorry, plus 12, 1. We will write like this, and that will be the answer 1 to 1. That is the square of the 11. Next, if we have the 12, then 12 plus 2, that is 14, and 2 square is 4. Answer is 144. If we have the 13, then 13 plus 3 is 16, and 3 square is 9. that is 169. Directly you can write the squares of such numbers. But as you are coming for the 14 square, then 14 plus 4 is 18, but the square of 4 is in 2 digits. Square of 4 is in 2 digits. And we have the base as 10. As we have the base as 10, the only one digit here we can keep in the left side, in the right side. So 6 we will write here, and 1 this will be added to this number. Our answer will be 196. In the base 10, always you will have only one digit from this side, right? So 6 we will have here, and another digit will go here, will be added to this number. So that will be 196. Same happened with the 15 square. In 15 square, again we have 15 plus 5, right? 15 plus 5 is 20, and 5 square is 25. So 5 we will have here, and this 2 will be added in 20. The answer will be 225. Right? For 16, 16 plus 6 is 22, and 6 square is 36. We will write here 6, and then 3 will be added in 25. So 256 is square. 17, 17 plus 7 is 24, 49, 289. Similarly, 324 and 361. When you have the base 10, then it's very easy. Just you have to take care about the second digit of this squares. Okay, and you can write it. But when you are coming for 20 to 90, in this range, when you are coming with the bases with 20, 30, 40, like this, then there is a little twist to make the squares of these numbers. Little twist. Just what we are going to do it, same method we will follow, 21 plus 1 and 1 square. But because here the base is 20, means 2 into 10. 2 into 10, twice multiple of 10. So we will multiply this digit by 2. Right? We will multiply this digit by 2. So here we will get as 22, 21 plus 1 is 22, and we will multiply with 2, that is 44. And 1 square is 1, so the answer will be 441. Right? The answer will be 441. And as we have 31, right? As we have 31, again 31 plus 1, but we will multiply here with 3 because now base is 30. Now base is 30, so we will multiply this number with 3. Okay, so that will be 96, and 1 square is 1. Answer is 961. 36 square is again with the 3 base. 44 square is again with base 4. There will be the base 4, so we will multiply this number with 4. 44 plus 4, and 4 square is 16. That term is 192. That number is, and again 16. We will take care for this number because again we have the base only 40. Means 10 we have the in base. 10 we have in the base. So we will take just 6 here. Right? And this 1 will be added in this number. 1936. Right? Whenever you will get the 2 digits here, on anywhere, when you will get the 2 digits, 1 digit you will write here and another digit will be added in the previous number. Okay, so that will be your answer. 59 square, 5 into 59 plus 9 divided by 81 means 9 square. So that will be 34081. 1 will be here and 8 will be added in 340. So the answer will be 3481. Okay, by the same way you can do up to 99. 99 is 9 into 99 plus 9. 9 square is 81. That is 97281. 1 will be here. and 8 will be added in 972, that is 980. There are so many other techniques to get the squares of these numbers, but by the base method, you can calculate the squares by such techniques. Okay. So annotation शुरू हो गया. Okay, so now we are coming, these are the squares of the natural numbers. So by this base method, you can make all the squares from 1 to 99. Now, second one is we are coming for the square roots of perfect numbers. Square roots of the numbers. So as you must be knowing about the traditional method of the square roots, that is really time consuming. If you are making the squares of these numbers as 5 to 9 by the traditional method, definitely you will get the answers as this. But is there any skill technique to get the square roots within seconds? Within seconds, can you get the square roots of these numbers? Yes, you can, right? Now we are going to learn this technique, how we can get it. Now, for making the square roots using skill technique, it's very easy technique. Only you have to make the table in your mind from squares of the 1 to 9 numbers. 1 to 9 numbers, you have to make the reprints of these squares. Okay, so because we are going to use these numbers, so find the square of as 729. If we have the number 729 and we want to find the square of this number, and first I must tell you that these techniques, whatever we are going to learn, that these are applicable only for the perfect numbers which have the perfect square roots, right? If you are making the in-between numbers, means which are not the perfect squares, right, then you will get the wrong answers. So this technique is applicable only for the perfect numbers. So as we have the number 729 and we want to make the square root of this, then first step is this: we will make the squares, pairs of these numbers from the left side. From the left side means from the 9 means 29 is our first pair. 29 is our first pair and we left with the number 7. We left with the number 7. Okay. Now in second step, what we are going to do? This digit is 7. We will see here in this table. That's why I told you this table is very, very important for you to get the square roots. Here we will see that where in this table 7 number is falling. So 7 is falling between 4 and 9. Right? 7 is falling between 4 and 9. So here 4 is the square of 2 and 9 is the square of 3. So here the minimum number, always the minimum number we will take. And that minimum number will be the first digit of your answer. That number will be the first digit of your answer. Okay. So first digit of your answer is 2. Now your last digit. The last digit of this pair, 29. So 9 is coming in square of 3 and square of 7. Number 9 is coming in square of 3 and square of 7. It means its second digit can be your 3 or 7. It may be 3 or it may be 7. Means your answer should be 23 or 27. Right? How we will decide it? How we will see what is the correct answer? For this, we are going for the second, fourth step, as we will multiply the first digit. What is the first digit? 2, right? 2 with its successor. 2 into 3, right? That is 6. Now we will see that whether this number 7, first digit, remaining digit, this 7 is greater than or lesser than 6. So 7 is greater than 6, right? So that's why we will take the higher number. In 3 and 7, we will take the higher number because our 7 is greater than the multiplication of the first digit and its successor, right? So it will be 27. The answer will be 27. So just there is really means just few steps to take the square root of these numbers. We will see the another example. Yes, if we have the to find the square root of 1156, again we will make the pairs. Here the pair will be, first pair will be 56 and the second pair will be 11. 56 and 11. So first what we are going to do, first we will see the 11 number where it is falling in our table. Where this 11 number is falling in our table. So here 11 is falling between 9 and 16. 9 and 16. It means 3 square or 4 square. Now we will take the minimum number. Minimum number, right? So this 3 will be the first digit of our answer. 3 will be the first digit of our answer. And now what is the second digit? We have the 56. It means last digit is 6. Where 6 is falling? In 4 square and in 6 square. In the table of 4 square, 6 is coming the last digit, and 6 square, 6 is coming the last digit. So our second digit may be 4 or maybe 6. Maybe 4 or maybe 6, right? How we are going to judge it? Whether it will be 4 or 6. Again, we will take the same step as we will multiply the first digit which we got in the answer by its successor. So means 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is 12. Right? 3 into 4 is 12. And now we will check that whether our this number 11 is lesser than 12 or higher than 12. If it is lesser than, then we will take the less number of between 4 and 6. Then we will take the less number between 4 and 6. The answer will be 34. Means just by looking at the numbers, you can give the answer. Just by looking at the numbers. You can make the square roots of these numbers. It's very, very easy just to keep this technique in your mind. Now, our second is, as we have the number 11236. These techniques are only you can do the questions up to 5 digits, square roots of the digits which are having the 5 digits. For the 6 digits, there are another technique. Right? So here we are going to tell up to the 5th digits numbers where you can get the square roots. So if we have the number this, then one pair is 36 and another we will have the all number 112. We are not going to make the pair 1, 2 and left with the 1 because then there will be 3 sets. And there is the another technique for the 3 sets. So we are going here to making one pair as 36 and left with the number 112. Right. So again, we will see here where this number 112 is falling. We can extend our table for 11 square, 12 square, 13, 14, up to anywhere you can go. Right. It depends upon the number. So where 112 is falling between 10 square and 11 square. Right. Between 10 square and 11 square, our number 112 is falling. So we will take the minimum number. So 10 will be the first digit of our answer. 10 will be the first digit of our answer. Now again we will see that last digit 6 is falling between 4 and 6. Right? So the last digit of the answer may be 4 or maybe 6. How we will come to know it may be 4 or 6? We will multiply 10 with its successor. Multiply 10 with its successor. So 10 into 11 is 110. And 110 is lesser than 112. 112 is higher than 110, right? So we will take the higher number. So between 4 and 6, we will take the higher number as 6. Our answer will be 106. Okay, so right, according to these techniques, you can have the square roots of these numbers. So let try these numbers. Just give the answers of these square roots. 361, how you will do it? Just make the pair 61 and left with the 3. Okay, so 3 is coming between 1 and 4. Lowest number is 1. So first digit of the answer is 1. Okay. Now you will see that this last digit of this pair, where it is falling in 1 square or in 9 square. Right? Either in 1 square or in 9 square. So the next number may be 1 or maybe 9. So how we are going to decide it? We will just multiply the first digit of the answer, or I will take just my pen. Equal to, as I said, 3 is falling between 1 and 4, and we are just taking the lowest number as 1, and second digit, last number is 1, which is falling in 1 square or in 9 square. So my answer may be 1 or 9. How I will decide it? I will multiply 1 with its successor. Its successor is 2. So 2 into 1 is 2, and that is lesser than 3. Means 3 is higher. So we will take the higher number, then it will be 9. Higher number is 9. Its square root is 1919. Okay. And here again, if I am taking the square root of this, 76 is one pair, 57 is falling between 7 to 8, right? It means our first number is 7 and 6 is coming between 4 and 6 again. So my second number may be 4 or maybe 6. It depends upon this. 7 into 8 is 56 and 56 means 57 is higher than 56. So higher number I will take as 6, right? So just by looking at the numbers, you can make the square roots, right? Again, you can make the square root of this number. 16 is one pair, and I left with the 29 number. 29 is falling between 5 and 6, right? 29 is falling between 5 and 6 here. So 5 and 6 means the lowest number, we will have 5. And now 6 is again coming between 4 and 6. And 4 and 6, how we will decide it? Which number? We will multiply 5 into 6. Is successor. 30 is means 29 is lesser than 30. So we will take the lowest number, 4. By this way, you can write the square root of these numbers. I have written these numbers because time is running. So that's why I didn't give you the time to solve these questions. But later on, you can make practice, right? So here again, I will clear this drawing. So that's why I did all the questions, but I am very sure you will just practice it, and then your answer is 19, 76, and 54. Very easy, very easy. Now, we are coming in the last one as riddle number 1. Yes, very good. Now find how many circles are there in this given picture. Now one picture will display here, and you will just count the circles in that picture. Okay. So now, and I will give you 1 minute for that, right? 1 minute for that, and you will write your answers. or you can unmute yourself, then you can tell the answers because I will ask. Yes, this is the picture. How many circles are there in this given picture? How many circles? Or I can open my chat here. Yes. 20 seconds more. Eight, five, 8, no, 8, 3, no. 7, no. Just 10 seconds more. 6, no. No circle. Very good, Anish Gupta. Priya Yadav, 3. Himanshu Giri, 9. Very close. Vivek, 3, 4, no. Yes, Nidhi Sharma. Yes. Unmute yourself, Nidhi.
Yes, miss.
Yes. Tell me, how did you count it? Very nice. Your answer is absolutely right.
In the riddles, there are number write it. And O. O is a circle also.
Right. Very good.
How? O.
One is here, na? How many?
Ha.
Right.
Yes.
One.
Do.
2.
O.
Right.
U. O.
3. 3.
And 3 circles.
Right. 3 circles are here. How, do, and you ke andar.
Ha.
Right.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Right. 6. And then?
How? ऊपर भी एक how है ना? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9.
Where
Last
did you
one.
get 7, 8, 9? 7, 8, 9 are where?
3, 4, 5, 6, 9.
1 you said in this O, second you
Yes.
said this O, third you said
Yes.
this O, and then this 3 or 6.
3,
6. And where is the 7th one?
7th about.
About, right? ठीक है,
About.
7th. Right. 8th one.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is 9, I think.
9. No. It is the 8th one.
Read.
7th one. That is the 7th one. About ka. देखो 4 O's are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's are here. So 4 are this and 3 are this. 3 circles are here. So 7 circles are here. We left with the
8.
You said 10.
9, 10. Yes. In the riddles 1. Next line was how many circles?
No. That is the question. Picture is this. Picture is this. Yellow
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Which one is 8?
9, 10.
Which one is 8?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 was on the riddle number. Then about, how, do, you, and the 3 circles. 8.
How do you? Where you said?
How?
How?
Do.
How many?
Do.
ये this हो गया 1, 2, 3, 4 तो okay हो गए
3, 4
है ना 4 you took from the O. How do you about? And 3 circles are here.
From riddle number.
No, don't go there. This is your picture. This is your picture only, no?
2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is your picture only, no? Yeah, this one. In yellow part, this is your picture. This is the question only. In blue part, this is the question. This is riddle number 1. This is the question. This is your picture where you have to count. Okay, any other? Any other have got the answer?
Inside B, there are 2 circles.
Inside, no, not, these are not the circles. These are not circles.
Question mark.
Himanshu Giri, you have given answer 10. Nidhi Sharma, you have given 10. Did you understand how it is 10?
Miss,
If you make you clear, then please unmute yourself and tell me how did you count it.
Miss, the circle formed in the letter R in circles.
And question
The
mark
circles
also.
in about.
Yes. Who said question mark? Not in R, because if I will make the screen large, then R will spread. So there is no circle in R, right? In A, there is no circle because it can spread as I will make the picture large. But here, yes. Who said? Question
and exclamation marks. And exclamation marks.
Yes, this is the
2
circle.
exclamation marks.
Right, very good. This is the circle 1, 2, and 3. 3 circles are here. So that's why 7 plus 3 is 10. In total, we have the 10 circles. Right?
Yes.
So, okay. And who said question mark?
Nidhi.
Nidhi. Very nice, Nidhi. Very nice. Good, good, good. Okay, now we are coming for the second riddle. Now this is the riddle number 2. And you have to find out the number of triangles in this figure. Find the number of triangles in this figure, in this picture. Giving you 1 minute. $16 not, 13 not, okay, your now time is over, but I got the correct answer also. As Nidhi and Krishna Gauri Shankar and Nidhi have given the correct answers. So, okay, now Nidhi got the chance. Now, Krishna Gauri Shankar, can you tell me how did you count the triangles? As you have written 20 triangles. Palak Prasad has also given the answer as 20, right? So, Krishna Gauri Shankar, yes. Can you tell me how did you count it as 20 triangles?
Miss, in question also the A is where the A is written in A, there is a triangle formed.
Pardon?
In A, in letter A, triangle is also forming there.
Letter. No. You have to find how many triangles are there in this picture. Don't go for that. The triangles has been written here. No, how many triangles you have in this picture?
16.
Not 16. 20 is the correct
16
answer.
triangles are there.
No, beta, no. 20 is the correct answer. And so many students have given the 20 answer, but I wanted to ask just how they counted the triangles. Time is running, so please come fast. Okay, otherwise answer is 20. 20 is the answer. No, beta, answer is 20. 20 triangles are here. So later on you can try it. Okay. So now, friends, if you like the techniques of skill maths, there are so many techniques. Even in my book, Enjoy the Skill Maths, there are so many techniques. but just that one must have the keenness to learn all these techniques, because always everything is possible if you believe in yourself. Everything is possible if you believe in yourself. So start believing in yourself, and then you can learn so many things, so many techniques, because maths is really very, very interesting subject. You can play so many things with the numbers. So now it's the time of the questions, Q&A session. So if really tell me if there is someone query.
There is no question in the chat box, only the answers of your questions.
Okay.
So anyone wants to question anything, you can unmute yourself and ask
Yes.
directly. Okay?
Yes.